Children,
Hi, my dear children.
how are you all children? Yes, super. I hope that you're all fine and doing good. Is it? Children, tell me, are you all ready for the class? Are you all interested? Come on, let's see the topics. Okay, now we are going to learn the English subject. Today's topics are, we are going to learn long I sound, long O sound, long U sound. Yes children, these are from your phonics skill book. Okay children. Children, do you all remember in previous class we have already learned long A and long E sound. Do you all remember that? Okay, fine. Now tell me children, what are called vowels? Do you all remember that? We have already learned vowels and consonant. Yes, you are correct. The letters A, E, I, O, U. Yes, these 5 letters are called vowels. Okay.
Already we learned the sounds of
These letters
and long A sound and long E
sound in the previous classes.
Yes, children.
Yes, now we are going to
Learn long I,
long O, long U with some interesting examples and activity. Are you ready? Let's see one by one. First,
go on with long
I sound. Okay, are you all ready to see the example? Yes, look at the screen.
what it is.
Can you see the picture? Yes. Can you name this? What it is children? Yes, dice. What it is? Dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Children, please all of you open your mouth and read the words. Okay, repeat all the words after me. Then only you can understand and hear
The long
long I sound. Okay children, are you ready? Open your mouth and repeat after me. Dice, dice. Yes, have you all heard the long I sound while read the word dice? Yes, let's see one more example.
what it is. 1, 2, 3.
3 things are there. What are these? Files. These are called files. F-I-L-E-S. Files. Open your mouth and repeat all the words. Files. Yes, super. Have you all heard the long I sound while reading the word file? Yes, files. This word have the long I sound. Open your mouth, then only you can understand. What it is children? Yes, it's a number. Very good. What number? 5. Number 5. Yes. Have you all heard the long I sound in this word? 5. I. Long I. Okay. 5. Yes. Super. What it is? Have you ever seen this? What it is children? Super. You are correct. This is beehive. No, this is this shelter of bees. Yes. Hive. Open your mouth and tell the word. Hive. Yes, this word hive also have the
Long I sound. No. Can you understand?
yes, hive. Open your mouth and tell. Hive. Long I sound. What it is children? Ice cube. Yes, ice.
This is eyes.
Long I. Okay. See here what it is. Have you all seen this? Yes, this is kite. This is kite. It is flying in the sky. No, yes. This is kite. Open your mouth and tell the word. Kite. I.
Long
I sound. The word kite have the
long
I sound. Kite. Okay. What it is? Yes, a girl is riding a cycle. Ride. Read the word. This word. Ride. I. Okay. Ride. Long I sound. Have you all understand children? Yes. Have you all hear the long I sound? Ride. Open your mouth and repeat. Ride. Ride. Okay.
long
I sound.
what it is children?
Yes. Apple.
It's a slice of an apple. What it is? It's a slice of
Of an apple. Slice. S-L-I-C-E. Slice. This is also has
a long
I sound. Slice. Some more examples for you children. Are you all ready to read this word? Come on, read with me.
dive, dive, hide, hike.
Lime. Once again.
Repeat. Dive, hide, hike,
Lime. Some more.
Mine. Rip. Sign. What it is? Mine. Once again repeat. Mine. Rip. Sick. Smile.
Yes, children. All these words have
Long.
I sound. Children, are you all clear with long I sound? Yes, I hope that. Let's move on to long O sound. Okay, what is long O sound? Let's see some examples. What it is, children? Can you name this? Yes, daily we use this. What it is? Comb. What it is? Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Have you all heard the long O sound while read this word? Comb. O, long O sound. Comb. Okay. Children, again I am telling you, open your mouth and read all the words with me. Okay. Then only you can understand clearly the difference between the sounds of letters. Okay. What it is? Can you name this? This is goat. What it is? Goat. O. Can you hear the long O sound? Go. Goat. Yes. Very good. What it is? Super. Correct. It's a house. House.
Long.
O sound. Okay. What it is, children? Rope. It's
The
rope. Open your mouth. Rope. Can you understand the long O sound? Rope. O. Long O. Rope. Yes. Let's see one more. What it is? Yes, it's a flower. Can you name this? Yes, it is a rose. Red rose. Okay. Did you like this? Yes. Super. Rose. Row. Long O. Okay. The word rose
have the
long O sound. Rose. Very good. One more. What it is? Can you name this? What it is, children? Yes, this is a road. R-O-A-D. Road. Yes. Again, this word also have the long O sound. Row. Yes, children. Road.
long.
O sound. Some more examples for you, children. Open your mouth and repeat after me. Okay.
Bone. Bone. Close. Code. Hope. Slope. Once again repeat with me. Bone. Close. Code. Hope. Slope. All these
One
having what sound? Long O.
sound. Some more for you.
Phone. What it is? Phone.
Can you hear the long O sound?
Phone.
Own.
Pole. O. Row. Smoke.
Tone. Have you all heard
The long O sound.
Yes.
All these
Word
have the
long O sound. Yes. Are you all clear with the long O sound, children? Super, children. Let's move on to long U sound now. Okay. Are you all ready? Let's see examples. What it is, children? Yes, this is Rangoli powder. What color is it? This is blue color Rangoli powder. Blue. Children, repeat the word blue. Yes, the sound oo. Can you hear the long U sound? Blue. Oo sound? Yes. One more. What it is, children? Have you seen this? What it is? Flute. Yes, it's a musical instrument. No, flute. It's called flute. Flu. Ooh.
Can you hear the long
U sound in this word flute? Yes, flute. Okay. What it is? Yes, this is juice. It is a juice. Juice. Ooh. Again, this word also have
the long U sound? No.
juice. Very good. What it is, children?
Yes. She is a girl, no? What she wears? She wears.
Wearing a uniform. Yes.
She wears
A uniform. Very good. Read this word. Uniform. Yes. Word.
have the long U sound.
Can you hear the long U sound? Uniform. U. Okay. What it is? Yes. Flowers. Can you name this flowers? What it is, children? Do you know its name? Tulip. What it is? Tulip. T-U-L-I-P. Tulip. Can you hear the long U sound in this? Tulip. Tu. S. U sound. Long U sound. What it is, children? Yes, super. It is called unicycle. What it is? Unicycle. Open your mouth and repeat. Unicycle. Long U. Unicycle. Can you hear the long U sound? Very good. Some more examples for you children. Are you all ready to read? Come on.
Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. What it is? G-L-U-E. Glue. This is huge. Huge means big. No. This is June. It's a month. Yes. This is soap. Once again repeat. Cube. Glue. Huge. June. Soap. Have you all heard the long U sound while reading
This one. U. Long U.
Cube. U.
Okay. Some more.
What is it? Ruler. Ruler. Okay. Rule. Suit. Suit. Tube. Tube. Okay. The long U sound. Tune. Use. Once again repeat. Ruler. Rule. Suit. Tube. Tune. Use.
Very good.
Children, now I hope that you are all clear with the
Long I, long O, long U sound.
Is it children? Are you all clear with the vowel letter sound?
Yes. Now it's time
For activities. Some interesting activities are waiting for you children.
be active and do the activity with interest. Okay, try to answer all the questions. Let's see first activity.
The activity is circle the things that have long I sound. Yes. We are going to
Circle
the things
which have
the long
long I sound. Okay, let us check. Okay,
first
let us name all the given pictures.
what it is? Dice. What it is? Dice. Very good. What it is?
Fig, it's a fruit.
No, fig.
This is nib, pen's nib, nib. What it is? Number 5. Okay, now are you all ready to circle?
Circle the things that have long I sound. Okay, what it is? Dice. Is it have the long I sound or not? Yes, the dice have the long I sound. Dice. Okay, that's why we have to circle it. Next, what it is? Fig. Fig. Open your mouth and tell. Okay, then only you can answer. Fig. Is it have long I sound or not? No, no, no.
Let's move on to the next one. What it is? Nib. Open your mouth and tell. Nib. Is it have long I sound? No, no, no. Very good. The last one. Number 5. What it is? Number 5. Is it have long I sound or no children? Yes, this is have long I sound.
The word dice and number 5 have long.
I sound. Did you enjoy this? Come on. Let us move to next activity.
What it is? Pick the things that have long O sound. What is the
Activity. 4 pictures are given to you.
What it is? Dog. What it is?
Rose.
Okay, this is pot.
This is house. Let us repeat once again.
Okay, dog, rose, pot.
House. From these pictures, you have to tick
The things only which have long O sound. Are you all ready? Come on, dog. What it is? Dog. Is it have long O sound or not, children? Open your mouth and tell. Then only you can answer. Dog. No, no, no. It does not have long O sound. On to this. What it is? Rose. Tell me. Repeat the word and tell me the answer. Rose. Is it have long O sound? Yes. Rose. Long O sound.
we have to tick this box. Very good. Third picture. What it is? Pot. Tell the word pot and tell me the answer. Pot. Is it have long O sound? No, no, no. Move on to the fourth one. What it is? House. What it is? House. Is it have long O sound or not children? Yes, the word house has long O sound. Very good children. Keep it up. One colorful activity is waiting for you. Are you ready? Are you eager to see that? Come on. Yes, this activity is for coloring. Okay.
Okay. Color the long U
Sound words.
Yes, children.
5 words are given to you. Let us
Read one by
one. What it is? Cut.
What it is? Cut. This is
Juice. This is jug. This is bud. What it is? uniform. Shall we repeat?
Cut, juice,
Jug, bath, uniform. Yes, from these 5 words you have to color only the words which have
long U sound. Now are you all ready to find the long U sound?
Does it have long U sound?
No. The word juice have long U sound or not? Yes, it has long U sound. We are color it in yellow color. Okay. Next move on to this word. What it is? Jug. Is it have
Long.
U sound or not? No. Move on to the fourth one. But. Is it have long U sound or not? No.
Move on to the last word, uniform. Tell the word and tell me the answer. Is
Does it have long U sound?
yes.
Then color it.
Yes, we are done the activities.
Very good, children. I hope that you
All enjoy the activity.
is it?
Now it's time for follow-up activity. It is nothing, children.
When
When you have free time or leisure time, please take your phonics book.
okay, children, please take page number 23. There is an practice for you to practice the long A, long E, long I, long O, and long U sounds. Okay, circle
The picture
pictures for respective
vowel sound words. Okay, children, please
complete this practice exercise
when you have leisure time.
and one more thing, children, one suggestion, please take your phonics skill book and read all the words given in your book under long vowel sound. Okay, then only you can
Enrich your phonics.
skill. Okay, take care of your health. Bye, children. We will meet in the next class.